Hello and welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can upload the contacts on Qualifyr. Once you log in on our platform, click on Contacts. Here, click on Import Contacts. Here you get two options. You can upload the file or you can manually enter the details. Enter the name for your list. This will be the list name which will be used. Manual entry means you can manually enter the phone number, name, email ID and city. But if you have huge amount of contacts, what you can do is you can just upload the Excel file on our platform. I will show you how you can do that. If this is the file you want to upload, just drag and drop it on our platform. Here you can see you will get the successful message once our platform maps the name, phone number, email ID and city. Just click on import and you will get the successful message. The most important part of uploading the contact is to follow the validation rules. Here we have purposefully given all the validation rules regarding the phone number, email ID, name, city and how you can upload your file. This is purposefully done and there are data validations at the backend. If you upload the data in a wrong format, you will get an error while uploading. Here you can see your list has been created with the same name. After uploading the list, you can still add contacts using the same method, but right now you will have to enter the contacts manually. Thank you.